bro. Joey the rat. Joey the loser. Joey the pigeon. Bro, you are just amazing to me. You 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 just won't ever stop, bro. I heard it all. I thought I heard it all. I thought I heard it and seen it all from you, bro. But you just cut the cake, bro. You just, bro. I don't know. Should I call you Willy Wonka? Should I call you Mama Wrench, or should I call you Joey the Rat? Since you is all three in one, so it's three losers in one. Three losers in one. That is amazing to me. That you can still have another level to drop. That is funny to me. How you have even lower level than the one you started with today. Because the one you started with today is pretty low, bro. But now, since I found out that you literally have 3/4 of your fan base is you. You are a fake all the way around, bro. Bro, you can literally tell everybody that you are a fake. Literally all the way around. You know you can't rap. You know you can't sing. Whew. Rapping is bad, but bro, your singing just, it's like skyrocketed you to by far the worst of all time. Now now I won't even. I feel bad about pitting you next to Roseanne Barr, where she sung the national anthem. Wow. Yeah, and that was a pretty bad performance, man. Man, I thought she'd go get arrested that day singing that national anthem. I thought she'd literally go get tackled out there on that field and get arrested for sounding that bad. But now, you, wow, you are a different breed, bro. You are a different breed. You are a different breed. I truly don't believe anything that come out of your mouth, bro. I mean, especially now that I know that you got fake fans, bro. Even you got like 2, 3, maybe. You got maybe 2, 3 legit fans, and they ain't even fans, because you know what? You're literally trying to bully them into buying your tracks. I mean, Daryl, you have no business sense whatsoever. When times get tough, you don't try to bully the only people that you had in your corner. You don't try to bully them into doing stuff that you want them to do. I mean, bro, that's etiquette 101. You don't bully your ally. You tell them thank you so very much. Without you, I won't be nothing. No, not you. You bully them. Try to bully them to buying your crappy toilet paper music. The only thing it's good for is wiping your butt. It ain't even good for that. Bro, you're just a terrible, terrible individual, bro. Wow. I'm so happy you are who you are because that lets me know I don't have to go easy on you. That lets me know that I can just keep on pounding you, bro. I want you waking up in nightmares thinking about me, thinking about this voice. Because until you apologize to the Jewish community, the Puerto Rican and Mexican community, and of course, the African American. Because none of us deserved it. Except for somebody like you. And you know what? So to top it off, you play a song that literally you call Earl Gotti the N-word. Literally called him the N-word. And then about a couple months ago, I'm listening to one of your stupid little rumbles, and you call somebody else, call this two N-words. So that's what they are. That's what you say they are. And of course, you didn't get nothing happen to you because you're still on YouTube. Because YouTube is spineless when it comes to racial seriousness. As long as you keep putting it on YouTube, you keep on being racist. See, it's like people like this idiot I'm talking about now won't have no platform to be on if YouTube didn't say, hey, buddy, you can't say a cuss word, but you can darn near, you could destroy a whole community. You know, as long as you get enough likes. You can say, hell Satan, and help everybody die. Hell Satan. You know, it's like, you can get away with saying all that, but you say a cuss word, oh, you get it. Oh, we're gonna smack your face off for doing that. Oh, you son of a bee. It's just like, no, can't do that though, huh? Can't do that, huh? We go get him, baby. We go get him. Can't do that, huh? But you can just cuss up a storm, though. I mean, you can just be racial idiot. But you say one cuss word, hell coming down on you. Hell is coming down on you. So that's how Tyree is born. Because his sorry self is allowed to do it, allowed to say what he wants. Because he's a good idiot. A real good idiot. It just blows me away, man. It blows me away. I'm not gonna lie. It blows me away. Because you are amazing. You are straight up amazing, bro. You get away with it. You have been getting away with it for 10 years. But what makes it even worse, or makes it even better, is in 10 years your butt haven't went nowhere. So it's kind of karma. Think about it, bro. It's kind of karma. You haven't done nothing in 10 years. You haven't done nothing for yourself other than misery. Other than utter misery. Bro, you just, can't believe it took me this long to figure out that you really don't have no fans at all. You have no fans, bro. That is so pathetic. You don't understand how pathetic that is, man. You are the literally the poster child for patheticness. You should be the sponsor for anything pathetic and loserness. Bring it my way. If I ain't Joey the Rat, aka Pigeon, I'm a loser of losers. If you need any help, learn how to be a loser. I ain't talking about this loser. I'm talking about a big time loser. A big time loser. Look me up. I am Joey the Rat, aka Pigeon. I'm telling you, I can get you there, and I always will get you there. Yeah, you have my word. If I ain't Joey the Rat, Joey the Pigeon, still, I ain't Sneeze. That's what your moniker could be. Because you are terrible, bro. Terrible. Man, oh, no. You are Joey the Rat, a.k.a. Mom with Wrench, a.k.a. Willy Wonka. I mean, that is a lot of characters, bro. I don't know how you keep all of them going. But you should try to make the ones on YouTube a little bit more better than that. Because you can't be every time Willy Wonka and Mom with Wrench say something. It can't always be great. I mean, Jesus, leave it to those two. Why haven't you ran for president yet? I swear, bro. The Willy Wonka and Mom with Wrench be landing on thick for you, boy. See, like I always say, bro, y'all losers, y'all take it too far. And that's how we catch y'all, because y'all can't help yourself. You can't help it. You cannot help it. You need the attention, because you ain't used to the attention. It's like just crack for y'all. You just have to have it. And we thank you for it, because y'all just make it so easy to get. So easy. So, once again, thank you. Thank you. Mom Wrench.